Well, I think the most obvious impact will be on consumer discretionary spending. And already there's clear evidence in the United States that consumer confidence indicators like the Michigan University Consumer Indicator are actually running close to recessionary levels. So the markets are already assuming that the higher inflation rate is going to eat into real incomes, which is going to force retail spending lower and therefore force GDP numbers lower. And you're also seeing the same effect in China. China household deposits in the banking system have surged over the last 2 months, as the 2 years, as the inflation rates have ripped. And again, what you're having there is a level degree of underconsumption, which is way, way below trend. So unfortunately, the moves in both oil and food prices seem to have been missed by a lot of investors over the last 48 hours of trading, are going to make a visible dent in consumer discretionary spending. And that in itself means that maybe the 30-year and 10-year Treasury yields are telling you the right story, which is that sometime in the next 12 to 24 months, we're going to slow down quite considerably.
All right, so given all that, how are you positioning? Give us your best idea for preparing for this.
Well, on the first of all, I think like everyone else, I had sort of put a reasonable probability that they would annex the two areas in eastern Ukraine. We didn't expect them to do an outright invasion. So we did three things. First of all, we've gone long gold. I think certainly with potential disruptions to SWIFT system, that's going to also play out very nicely. Second, we've gone long developed market defense stocks. Defense spending as a percentage of GDP in Europe and elsewhere is going to go up. And third, we sort of feel that governments are going to have to, raise rates, and in that respect, against a backdrop of heightened inflation and very good labor markets, you're going to get a deterioration in consumer confidence. So we've switched from consumer discretionary into consumer staples. Thank you.